Right now, the moon is quietly holding your entire world together. You don't think about it. You don't have to. But imagine for a moment that it suddenly wasn't there. Not fading, not drifting away. Gone. Instantly. Violently. What would actually happen next? The explosion itself would be silent to us. Space carries no sound. But the light would be impossible to miss. A shattered moon would briefly become far brighter than the full moon ever was. Countless fragments tumbling and catching sunlight at every angle. For a few hours, satellites would show something strange in low orbit. Fragments beginning to spread outward, some falling toward Earth, some drifting into deep space. Within days, Earth's atmosphere would start catching pieces of the moon. Not one meteor, millions. The greatest meteor storm in human history. Some fragments would burn up harmlessly, high in the atmosphere. Others, especially the larger chunks, would not. Impacts on this scale could devastate cities, trigger tsunamis, and blanket the sky in dust. This wouldn't be a single event. It would be an ongoing bombardment for days or weeks. The moon does more than light up the night. Its gravity pulls our oceans into a steady, predictable rhythm. Without it, that rhythm collapses. Tides would shrink dramatically, driven only by the sun's much weaker pull. Coastal ecosystems that depend on tidal cycles, from mangroves to spawning fish, would be thrown into chaos. Some marine species might struggle to survive the disruption at all. The moon's gravity does something else most people never think about. It stabilizes Earth's tilt on its axis. That tilt is why we have predictable seasons. Without the moon's steadying pull, that tilt could begin to shift over time. Not overnight, but over thousands of years, potentially dramatically. Seasons could become extreme, erratic, or unrecognizable. Climate stability, something we've always taken for granted, would no longer be guaranteed. Eventually, the debris would begin to settle. Some fragments would fall to Earth. Some would drift into deep space, gone for good. And some might slowly gather back together, pulled by their own gravity. Over an immense span of time, it's possible a new moon-like body could partially reform. But it would look nothing like the moon we know. No steady glow, no familiar face in the sky. Just a reminder of what used to hang there, quietly holding everything in place. The moon rarely gets credit for what it actually does. It's not just scenery. It stabilizes our seasons. It shapes our tides. It has quietly shielded Earth from debris for billions of years. If it vanished tomorrow, the sky would fall silent in a whole new way. And Earth would spend millennia adjusting to its absence. So tonight, when you look up and see it there, know that it's doing more work than it ever gets credit for.